The host AI, resembling Ryan Reynolds, slams a 10,000 check on the table and challenges contestants to pitch in 30 seconds. Regulars and celebrity lookalikes like MrBeast and Kim Kardashian sprint to the stage as drones deliver humorous pitches. Quick cuts show wild ideas as a drone coffee service dazzles the crowd and a dog gym spins with wagging tails. A heated clash over who sparked which idea ends when a prop drops and the audience erupts in surprised laughter. In slow motion, the judges confer, the winner rises, confetti erupts, and the host shouts, "Would you survive this challenge?"